We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I'm Dave. And today I'm going to share with you the Euro US dollar custom project for hour one charts. Let's get started and get into it. The blog for this will be linked in the description below. Let's take a look at where you can download this. If you read over this, this is the logic of the custom project. You can download the FTMO version here or here. And at the very bottom here, you can download the IC Markets version. That's the broker that I use. We're in StrategyQuant now. Let's load up the custom projects. So we'll load up first the FTMO version. Next, we're going to load up the IC Market version. Okay, so if you want to switch the data on the versions for your broker, you're going to do that by clicking on here and clicking on modifying symbols. Here's the IC Markets. You're going to change on those market symbols to your broker. Let's take a look at the IC Markets version. And when you want to start the custom project, all you have to do is press start, and it's going to load up and start building strategies for you. And this is using the building blocks, the mean reversion building blocks. Okay, now you can swap out the building blocks and build different strategies with different building blocks through all those other building blocks that I offered on that other blog, which is in that the link in the description for that blog if you want to swap out different building blocks. So lots of options here. Now, I'm not going to go through the logic of everything, but let's just take a look at the logic of one part at the bottom here, where the final out of sample tests are from month 1 to 3. And so what the logic there on why I did that is because if you can make a strategy that earns profit every 3 months, so you never have a period of 3 months where you lost money. So for instance, maybe you can build a strategy that loses money for 6 months out of the year, but then really gets some great gains on the last 6 months of the year. I think that's hard to deal with, like, psychologically. So I thought, hey, why not build strategies that always profit within a 3-month window? They're always in profit every 3 months. And that's what you can do here all the way up to the end of 2024. It will test, and then you will get a strategy right here at the end. That's where the strategy will be. And so then, because it ends in 2024, you have all of 2025 to do some extra tests with it to just make sure that it's good on new data. If you're brand new to StrategyQuant X software and you don't even understand what this is all about and what it's doing, essentially they are creating through data and crunching strategies that will trade automatically. And it's crunching data, and that's what it's doing. And these custom projects that I'm giving you create these strategies. And so the one that I'm giving you here is for Euro US dollar, and on the hour 1 charts. The next one will be hour 4 and then daily charts. And if you're interested in this, you can take the 2-week free trial, and there's some coupon codes to get it cheaper. And then to use those coupon codes, you can see here, you use those coupon codes at checkout. So load the custom project on StrategyQuant and press start, and then start making some strategies. And if you want to change the building blocks, you know how to do that. Swap out the building blocks. You have 7 different choices, and you're going to make even different strategies, and you can see which one works the best on Euro US dollar. So I put the mean reversion building blocks on there, but you can try the trend or the volatility building blocks, and you can make even better strategies. It's up to you. And good luck, and give me some feedback on this custom project. Tell me what you think, and you can shoot me an email with that, or just leave comment, and if you like this stuff, yes, if you like the custom projects, which I will keep making, press that thumbs up button. It gives me motivation to keep on going, and I will see you in the next one with the Hour 4 custom project on Euro US dollar. So see you then.